we're finally here. This is New York. We'll walk around a little, then go back to the hotel.
It's so big! So big!
Stay close. There are too many people here.
Mom and I will buy some food. Wait here for 1 minute. Do not go anywhere.
Okay, Dad. Okay.
Peter, can you hold this?
Me?
Yes, just for 1 minute. Be careful. My wallet is inside. The hotel card is inside too.
I'll be careful. Don't lose it.
And don't move. Stay by this bench.
We'll be back soon.
Anna, look at that. It's just a toy robot. It's so cool. Don't move. Mom and Dad said wait here. I just want to look closer. Peter, no. Peter! Just 1 second! Peter! 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 Wow! Anna? Anna?
Okay, we're back.
Where is Peter?
He was here! He saw a toy! I told him not to go. Then people walked between us. And I lost him.
Oh no.
Peter!
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 I'm sorry.
Anna, look at me. Stay calm. We need to find him fast.
Stay with me. Don't run.
I'll check that side. Check the toy shop and the next corner.
Okay.
Peter! Peter!
Peter! Peter!
I can't see him.
Me neither.
This city is huge. If he goes too far, it will be dangerous.
We have to find him now.
Fast.
Anna? Mom? Dad? Where's the bench? Where's the food cart? Mom! Mom! Mom!
Sorry?
Oh, sorry. Don't cry. Don't cry.
Stay calm. If you get lost, go back to the hotel.
Right. I can go back. I can do it. I'm here.
Are you okay, kid?
Yes. I'm going to my room.
Are you alone?
No, my family is here. She's scary. I'm safe. I'm really hungry. Bwang! Bow! Wee! This is funny. Mom and Dad will come soon. I'll just wait here.
Peter?
Excuse me, did you see a little boy? Sorry, no.
Mom, what if he is crying?
We will find him.
Nothing.
Nothing here either. David?
Keep looking. Just keep looking.
Oh, I fell asleep. Mom? Dad?
It's late. Why aren't they here yet?
Maybe they're looking for me. Maybe they're downstairs. I should go find them. No! Oh no, I left everything inside. Please? This is bad. I just need the front desk. Lobby. This is not right. I'm hungry again. Excuse me.
Sorry, kid. Move a little, please.
Nobody is listening. Hello? Maybe I can ask for one.
Who moved that cart?
Just one.
Hey! What are you doing?
I'm sorry! I was hungry!
You can't be here! This area is for workers only!
I'm sorry. I'm lost.
Then go to the front desk. Out! Now!
Okay. I didn't mean to. I just wanted something to eat.
I thought I might see you again.
I'm fine.
No, you are not.
I got lost, and the chef was mad.
I saw that. Did you take something?
A bread roll, but I put it down.
Good.
I was hungry.
Hungry children make bad choices.
I know.
Where is your family?
I don't know. I went back to my room. Then I fell asleep. Then I went out again. And I left my key inside.
That was not a good plan.
I know.
I bought cookies. Come. You need to sit down.
Are you going to take me somewhere scary?
No. Somewhere with chairs. Careful, it is hot.
Thank you.
What is your name?
Peter.
I'm Mrs. Bell.
Hello, Mrs. Bell.
How old are you?
8.
8 is old enough to be brave.
I wasn't brave.
You came back to the hotel. That was smart.
But then I did stupid things.
Yes, you did. Scared people do foolish things sometimes.
My mom must be worried.
I think so.
Anna told me not to move.
And did you listen?
No.
Then you should tell her you are sorry.
I will.
Now we are going to find your family.
Really?
Yes. But this time, you stay beside me.
I will.
Emma.
What?
The hotel card was in the bag.
Peter knows the hotel.
Yes, he might have gone back.
Then let's go.
My son is missing. He is 8 years old.
We are staying here. Please help us.
Of course. What room are you in? I'll take you upstairs.
Hey there! I hope you're having a great day. Let's get ready for some fun.
He was here.
He came back.
Oh no. We were too late.
But where is he now? He was here, but now he is gone again.
Peter,
Mom,
It's okay, sweetie. I'm here.
excuse me. Have you seen a little boy?
What does he look like?
He is 8. Small. Dark hair. Blue striped t-shirt.
And is he carrying an important bag?
Yes.
Do you mean this boy?
Mom, Dad, I'm sorry.
Peter!
Peter, you scared us.
You're safe now.
That's enough. You're safe.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You helped our son. We are very grateful.
He was frightened, but he tried to come back to you.
I went back to the room, but then I went out again. and I got lost in the hotel.
Again?
Yes. And a chef got angry at me.
It's okay now.
You made mistakes, but you were brave too.
I'm sorry, Mrs. Bell. I thought you were scary.
That happens.
I'm sorry. I should not have left the bench.
No, you should not. But I'm happy you're back.
Me too.
I'm sorry too. I should not have given you the bag.
Your dad and I made a mistake too. We looked away for too long.
So we all learned something? Yes, a big lesson. That's not fair.
It is very fair.
And no one walks away alone.
Okay.
The food is cold now.
I don't care.
Me neither.
Then let's eat our cold dinner.
Together.
Yes. Together.